Excellence symbolizes such grandness that it seems to be inaccessible, not given to everyone. Excellence is not a privilege reserved for an elite group of intelligent prodigies or those who have the means to become so. Excellence is nothing more than a choice that each one of us can make. Excellence is a habit that we adopt, that we cultivate among our community. We are committed to create and nurture an innovative learning environment based on excellence, allowing our students to live a unique experience that will transform them intellectually, socially, and personally. We are also committed to create a strong sense of environmental, societal, and governance awareness in tomorrow's leaders. We strongly believe that the power of ethics is essential to the sustainable development of nations. We are committed to shaping leaders who can act and influence the world positively with ethics, respect, sharing, and exchange. Our passion is our driver. Our community is our strength. This is what excellence is all about. Choose excellence. Join a unique adventure and take the habit. Rabat Business School, leading by excellence and awareness.